Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through a foolproof step-by-step guide on how to upload a file to a shared Google Drive link, the full 2025 method, whether you're submitting work to a team folder, sharing documents with classmates, or just need a secure way to send files. This tutorial will make sure you do it right the very first time. Stick around until the end so you don't miss a single step. Access the shared folder. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to drive.google.com. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a section called Shared with Me. Click on it. This is where every folder or file someone else has shared with you is stored. Find your target folder, scroll through the list, and locate the specific shared folder where you need to upload your file. Once you find it, click the folder to open it. Make sure you have the right one so the correct people get access. Start the upload. Inside the folder, look to the top left corner of your screen and click the New button. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select File Upload. This is the option that lets you add a single file directly from your device. Choose the file. Your computer's File Explorer will pop up. Browse to the location of the file you want to share. Highlight the file and hit Open. Monitor the progress. In the bottom right corner of your Google Drive window, you'll see a small progress bar. This shows you how quickly the file is uploading. The time it takes depends on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, so just give it a moment. Confirm the upload. When the upload finishes, your file will appear inside that shared folder automatically. Everyone who has access to the folder will instantly be able to view or download the file. No extra sharing steps required, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to a shared Google Drive link, the 2025 way, quick, easy, and secure. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.